Alright. Dobe atong duulon be, unsa ni dire? Unsaon na to? Philippines. Tapos China aid for okay. China flag dayon. Tapos nakabutang ri China aid for shared future. Tapos Davao Bukana, Davao River Bukana Bridge. Di gyud mawang Bukana. Pero Davao River Bukana Bridge. Mo sunod ko, ma'am. Ay, sorry. Hi, sir. Wag ka lang ko, sir. Ang nakasulat sa overview ay the bridge is a 5 pylon double cable plane extra dose prestris. Kanya mo ni ilang murag pasad sa tulay. Tumoy ni sa tulay. Concrete continuous girder bridge with a total length of 480.2 meters. The span arrangement is 55 by 4 by 90 by 55 m. Lagi 22.22 absent mo ko ni. Client Department of Public Works and Highway. Ang client DPWH Philippines. Ang nakabutang dre client. Tapos contractor China Road and Bridge Corporation. Ang construction period November 2023 to November 2025. Alright. Okay.